Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay. So, hello sa lahat ng Scorpio. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 23 to 29. Okay, at habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Scorpio na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Please continue to support by liking this video. Okay? And comment na rin sa baba kung mag-resonate, at sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing to my channel. Maraming salamat. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 2 cards from this deck. Okay. And that would be the overall energy ng reading ninyo. Okay. 3rd card ng March. Time flies. End ng first quarter of the year. So, first card, Ace of Wands, and second card, Six of Pentacles. Alright. So, Ace of Wands and Six of Pentacles. Nakikita ko dito that there will be a new beginning between you and your person. Pwedeng magle-level up kayo sa connection ninyo, from dating to committed relationship, from being together to alam mo yun, as a couple, magle-level up to engagement, to marriage. Okay, so that's what I see here, and as shown here by the Six of Pentacles is there will be so much parang very grateful kayo. Very grateful din tong person niyo na dumating ka sa life niya. And aside from that, there's an energy of well reciprocated itong connection. Kaya nga yung desire niyo to move to the next level, yung new beginning sa relationship ninyo, is something mutual. Pareho niyong gusto kasi well reciprocated nga kayong dalawa. So, tingnan natin yung detalye using this other deck. Bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this. At habang binabalasa ko, gusto kong i-remind ang lahat, as always, that this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Pag hindi nag-resonate, ibig sabihin hindi ko na nasarap yung energy niyo, kaya wag pilitin, abangan niyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kaya subscribe na para updated kayo sa mga new posts. Or panoorin niyo yung mga past videos ko kasi baka isa doon ay mag-resonate. Timeless naman ang mga tarot and oracle reading. Okay? Saka best talaga to book a personal reading kasi mas naka-tune in sa energy niyo yun. So kung gusto niyo, message lang kayo sa email address ko sa baba, sa description box nakalagay. Okay? Sige, simulan na natin. So, 3rd card pa rin. First card, 2 of Cups. Okay, nice. Second card, Temperance. 3rd card, 4 of Cups. 4th card, 9 of Coins. 5th, 7 of Wands. 6th card, okay, 10 of Swords. Oops. Kailangan ko siyang takpan. Queen of Coins. Nasaan na yung ano ko? Alright. Queen of Coins and takpan ko siya. Last card, 7 of Cups. Okay. So, Queen of Coins behind the 7 of Cups. Okay. Yan. And what you don't see coming is the energy of 10 of Cups, which is good. Okay, so mahal nyo nga talaga yung isa't isa. And very grateful kayo na magkasama kayo. As shown here by the 2 of Cups, sobrang happy ng relationship. There's a really sincere and genuine connection between the two of you. Very attracted kayo sa isa't isa. shown by the Two of Cups. And itong Temperance is very balanced. There's so much peace, balance, harmony sa relationship ninyo. May conflict man, nare-resolve siya agad, bumabalik siya sa very peaceful condition or situation. Okay? Ingat lang ng konti kasi sa Four of Cups, may tendency lang talaga na parang mag-focus sa mga bagay na hindi importante. Okay? Minsan may tendency lang na, okay, hindi naman importante ito, bakit natin siya pinag-aawayan, naging cause ng tampuhan, may mga ganun lang tendencies. Pero mahal nyo yung isa't isa. And this one are very minimal na obstacles and challenges sa relationship. Kasi shown here by the Nine of Coins din naman, na very secure ang relationship and free kayo to really express yung mga nararamdaman nyo sa isa't isa. Positive or negative man yan, very open, very parang napag-usapan nyo na, yeah, magpakatotoo lang tayo dito sa relasyon na to. That's why, itong Seven of Wands lumabas kasi na-overcome nyo talaga yung mga challenges, okay? Firm din kayo sa mga boundaries nyo and nare-respeto nyo yung boundaries ng isa't isa. Okay? And yun nga lang, may mga shown dito sa mga hindi importanteng bagay. Minsan na napofocus kayo doon. Minsan na parang, okay, wait lang. And that's causing naman the Ten of Wands energy, which is yung burden ba or yung may mga, syempre, pag may mga ganong issues, it becomes a burden kasi nga, ang default ninyo is something peaceful peaceful, harmonious, balanced relationship, pero nakatapat siya sa Ten of Wands. So pag may mga issues kayo, parang very, parang it's taking a toll. Ayan, so, naging burden siya sa relationship. Kaya, tinatry niyo na ayusin siya agad. And here, si Queen of Coins, as you can see here, very abundant itong relationship. Ito kayo yung couple na may dependability, ba? You can depend on each other, di ba? Ayaw nyo ng drama, so sobrang comforting ng connection. And here sa Seven of Cups na may mga minsan may mga kasi ito yung di ba? At the moment talaga, what you really looking forward is a happily ever after. Ten of Cups, parang that's what you're aiming at. That's what your parang wishful thinking nyo din talaga at the moment is to have this happily ever after. Parang ganun. That's what yung at the moment, parang hindi pa siya talaga, kuwari, hindi pa kayo super nag-settle down, ganyan. But that's the goal. That's your wishful thinking. That's your parang hino-hope for nyo talaga deep inside na maging long-term na to, forever na to. And as shown here by the Ten of Cups, it will be. Okay? So, this card is full of love talaga. Ten of Cups is a card of love. Similar energy siya with the Lover's card, Ace of Cups, yan, Ace of Wands, and Two of Cups. So, yeah. Very nice. So, tingnan natin ano yung advice ng universe sa inyo when it comes to this connection. Okay. So, what's the advice of the universe? Grace. Yeah. So, give yourself, each other, the relationship, so much grace. Okay? And, punong-puno ng grasya. Okay, so there's so much love talaga in this connection, and both of you are blessed naman. And just give yourself and your person in this relationship so much grace. Okay? And keep doing the positive things. Maintain the peace, harmony, and balance in the relationship. And focus na sa mas importanteng bagay. Yun lang din yung sinasabi ni universe sa inyo. Okay. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. In short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat!